Hello and welcome to this module on operations and supply chain management. My name is Anicia Yegler. I'm professor of sustainable supply chain management at Cage Business School, one of the top 10 business schools in France. In 2020, I received the second award of the Global Women Supply Chain Leaders in the category Supply Chain Academic Excellence. Let me take you through a brief introduction to operations and supply chain management, particularly in the luxury sector. Operations encompass all activities involved in a product's life cycle, from the extraction of the raw materials to its end-of-life stage. This chain of activities is referred to as the supply chain. This includes manufacturing, distribution, packaging, usage, and reverse logistics. Let me illustrate this concept with the leather supply chain. Luxury brands such as Louis Vuitton, Celine, and Loewe are central players in this industry. To manufacture a bag, these brands require leather, which originates from livestock farming, especially cattle. The animal hides then undergo various treatments, such as tanning. LVMH owns several tanneries dedicated to transforming raw hides into high-quality leather, which is then used in the production of luxury bags. These bags are distributed to customers through retail stores and online platforms. Over time, they can be repaired, resold, or repurposed. Eventually, at the end of their lifespan, they may be recycled or discarded. This type of supply chains tend to be integrated, as LVMH controls most of the key activities, including tanneries, manufacturing, and boutiques. The watches and jewelry sector followed a similar structure. In contrast, other supply chains, such as cosmetics or wine and spirits, tend to be less integrated. Let me take you through an overview of the most important supply chain and operations decision, segmented into 3 layers: strategic, tactical, and operational. Each layer plays a crucial role in optimizing efficiency, resilience, and sustainability. The first layer focuses on the design of the supply chain, which includes deciding on the location of production plants, selecting strategic suppliers, and structuring the distribution network. These long-term choices require substantial investment, particularly in automation and sustainable infrastructure. Additionally, sustainability is embedded at this level by prioritizing ethical sourcing, reducing the environmental footprint of operations. The second layer is supply chain planning, which ensures resources are allocated efficiently while minimizing waste and environmental impact. It consists of 2 key components: demand planning, accurately forecasting demand to avoid overproduction and reduce waste, ensuring only the necessary resources are used. Supply chain planning, optimizing resource allocation, inventory levels, and transportation methods to minimize emissions and energy consumption while maintaining responsiveness. Companies that incorporate sustainable planning focus on lean inventory management, route optimization for lower fuel consumption, and sourcing from suppliers with responsible environmental and labor practices. The third layer involves the management of daily operations across manufacturing, logistics, and transportation. Achieving operational efficiency while promoting sustainability requires, for example, process optimization to reduce material waste and energy consumption, empowering employees with training on sustainable best practices, adopting circular economy principles. Each of these decisions must align with the goal of building a resilient, efficient, and sustainable supply chain. The first step in achieving sustainability is to set clear, relevant, and achievable objectives, aligning them with the 17 Sustainable Development Goals established by the United Nations in 2015. Once objectives are defined, companies must identify specific actions and track their progress using key performance indicators, KPIs. For a company wishing to fight against global warming and reduce inequalities, the delivery of a product to its final customer Its use and then its end of life imply the implementation of numerous activities. Most of these leave traces in the environment, on land, through biodiversity or terrestrial pollution, in the air, such as air pollution, and in the water. These operations can also have a social impact on the company's employees, external stakeholders, such as customers, users, service providers, and suppliers, as well as on society in general. They also have a financial impact. The most common financial KPIs are turnover, margin, and inventory value. By measuring and analyzing these impacts, businesses can refine their strategies, ensuring that sustainability efforts translate into improved performance, compliance, and long-term resilience. Let's now explore what makes supply chain and operations management unique in the luxury sector. This industry is distinguished by its focus on high-value, high-quality products, often featuring some level of customization. Production is typically concentrated in specific countries, such as France and Italy, while distribution spans the globe. Additionally, luxury brands must balance a mix of permanent collections and seasonal products, requiring agile and ad hoc management. Collaboration, both internal and external, is crucial for driving efficiency, innovation, and sustainability within supply chains. Externally, partnerships with public authorities are essential for urban logistics and last-mile delivery, while supplier collaboration ensures long-term sustainable procurement strategies. Internally, integrative cooperation, characterized by teamwork and inclusivity, helps break down silos and promote a collaborative and diverse workplace culture. The importance of collaboration lies in its ability to streamline operations and enhance sustainability efforts. It not only drives efficiency, but also fosters innovation by encouraging cross-functional problem solving. Furthermore, a strong collaborative culture attracts and retains talent, and the supply chain sector faces a workforce shortage. Ultimately, collaboration is a strategic driver of long-term success, promoting adaptability and resilience in a rapidly evolving landscape. The supply chain must adapt and remain resilient amid evolving regulations, shifting geopolitical landscapes, the growing impact of climate change, and the new consumer expectations. Sustainable Supply Chain 4.0 and Industry 4.0 technologies are two emerging concepts reshaping business strategies to drive companies towards sustainability performance. Supply chain actors must recognize the transformative role of technologies such as blockchain, Internet of Things, big data, and robotics in their activities shown by the supply chain operations reference model, which can significantly impact their sustainability initiatives. However, realizing this potential requires seamless collaboration among stakeholders to ensure a continuous and reliable flow of data, which is an essential component for these technologies to function effectively. While digitalization enhances efficiency, reduces waste, and optimizes resource management, it also introduces challenges, including high energy consumption, e-waste, and ethical concerns. Striking a balance between digitalization and sustainable practices is crucial to achieving long-term, sustainable development goals. As Luxury Maison undergoes this transformation, operation and supply chain management play a pivotal role in integrating customer-centric strategies with sustainability imperatives. For early career professionals, this evolution presents a unique opportunity to engage with cutting-edge innovations, develop a blend of analytical and interpersonal skills, and contribute meaningfully to the future of sustainable luxury supply chains. Thank you for listening.